Hi, my name is Tabitha. I'm a student at the University of West Florida in the Professional Accountancy program. I chose this degree because I wanted something that was both challenging and rewarding. I really feel like the accounting degree gives many opportunities. As a freshman, I wasn't really sure what area I wanted to go into, but the accounting degree really gives you a lot of different options, whether it's financial route or the tax route. Whether you want to go into a large firm or a small firm, you have the option to sit in an office if you prefer, or to have conversations with people on a daily basis. There's really a position in accounting for every type of personality. When I graduate, I'm going to begin my 5th year requirements for the accounting program and begin studying to sit for the CPA exam. My plans are to receive my CPA license and begin practicing at a local firm and just see where this degree takes me and find my perfect fit. Within the accounting degree, there are many different courses and learning experiences. Some of the courses that are going to be general to many universities are going to be your intermediate accounting courses, your cost accounting. You're also going to have some financial and business courses that make it easy to have maybe a minor in finance or a minor in management. Within the accounting degree, you're going to get a lot of experience with real life events. You know, there's always something going on within the financial world, within the tax world, and this program really ties you in to what's happening right now, you know, to what you're going to expect your job to be like when you graduate. The accounting program, it really allows you to push yourself to grow. It's not easy. It's something that, you know, not only do you have to have, you know, basic math skills, but you need to be able to manage your time well and to push yourself to stand out. The accounting degree is a very respected degree. It also sets you up to become a CPA, which in the finance and business world is a respected title and is something that many accounting students would seek to have once they graduate. In addition to your undergraduate degree, if you so choose to take the CPA exam, there are some 5th year requirements. Depending on your program and depending on the class schedules you've had, the classes may vary that you need to take, but you will need to meet the national requirement to sit for the CPA exam. My favorite part about being in the accounting program is definitely that it's challenging. I like that it pushes me, that it makes me work hard to succeed. The accounting degree does have a reputation that goes with it, as well as the CPA licensure afterwards. I like being part of something and on my way to be a part of something that's so much bigger. I definitely have enjoyed the mix of classes. We've had both accounting classes that focus on financial, as well as accounting courses that focus on the tax side, so you really get an idea of which area you would like to work in. And then I also like just how rewarding it is. Sometimes the classes can be very difficult, but pushing through as a class, as a group, as an individual, you really see yourself become more through this degree. Definitely the hardest part of the accounting degree are some of the same reasons that I like it so much. It is challenging, it is difficult, but the rewards are so great because of that. Not everyone will complete this degree because it is hard, but if you do, you're going to be set apart and be rewarded for the rest of your life because of it. With the accounting degree, I've come up against some challenges. My AA was actually in business, so I did take principles and managerial accounting, but I really didn't put the effort in that was required to prepare me for intermediate accounting, which is actually one of the first classes that you do take when you start your accounting bachelor's degree. And it was very difficult to try and refresh everything I should have learned to the extent I should have learned it in principles to be prepared to do well in intermediate accounting. So I wish that I would have had someone to explain what this degree would require, both the benefits, so I could see that it's worth it to keep pushing through, as well as the hardships that you really need to build upon the foundation of your principles classes to make intermediate more easily understood. My advice to anyone considering the accounting program would be to begin wherever you are, whether you're still in high school or you're at a community college or you're even at a university and you're deciding on a degree. Prepare to the best of your ability with your foundational courses. Begin building on your skills of time management and organization. When you get into the accounting program, sometimes you'll have classes that take half your week up, it seems like, that you're always working on. So being able to manage your time appropriately and prioritize will really have a big impact on how well you do in the accounting degree and in the accounting field. And my best piece of advice, and I had to learn this through experience, is that do not ever be afraid to ask what you think is a stupid question, because I assure you that there is always someone else in the class thinking the same thing, and you would rather ask the question in the class where you're learning about it, rather than at your job where the employer thinks that you should already know this. So don't be afraid, do your best, and you're going to succeed.